Hello guys, hello, welcome to session 38.
Yes, 38. Welcome everybody. I hope you're okay. Thanks for supporting us. I hope that these videos help you learn English. Today, we have a pronunciation tip. Speaking naturally, part 4. Is he or is she? Today we want to talk about how to say these sentences in English. We have two questions. Is he a student? Is she a student? We want to listen and see how people pronounce these words in English. So let's listen together.
Page 25. 4. Speaking naturally. Is he or is she? A. Listen and repeat the questions above. Notice the pronunciation of is he and is she.
Is he a student?
Is she a student?
Yes. So you can see that instead of is he, we say is he, right? Is he or is she?
Okay.
And can you please read the questions again?
Is she a student? Is he a student?
Yes, that's right. Okay. Is he and is she? In part B, we have 6 questions. I want to play the audio. Do you hear is he, or is she? Okay?
Okay.
Let's listen.
4. Speaking naturally. Is he or is she? B. Listen. Do you hear is he or is she? Circle he or she. 1. Is she a friend from high school? 2.
Is she a college student?
3. Is he shy? 4.
Is he smart?
5. Is he interesting? 6.
Is she fun?
Okay. Number 2, is she a college student? Number 3, is he shy? Number 4, is he smart? Number 5, is he interesting? Number 6, is she fun?
Is she fun? Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Now this time, we want to ask and answer these questions about your friends, your best friends. Okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so first, let me ask you about your best friend. Is your best friend, is he or is she from high school?
Yes, he is.
Okay. Is he shy?
So.
So, okay. Is he smart?
Yeah. Yes, he is.
Okay. And is he fun?
Yes, he is.
Yes, he is. Okay. How old is he?
He's 15 years old.
15 years
Yeah.
old? 15. Okay, good. So this time you ask me, please.
And is he a college student or is she?
No, it's a he. No, he isn't. He's not a college student. He finished college last year.
Is he shy?
Yes, a little. He's a little shy. He's not outgoing.
Is this interesting?
Yes, he is. He's very interesting.
Is he fun?
No, he isn't fun.
How
He's
old?
not fun.
How old is he?
He is 25 years old.
Repeat again.
He is 25 years old.
25 years old. Is he strict?
Sometimes, yes. He is a little strict sometimes.
Okay.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Now, at the end of the video, I want to ask you a question about your best friend. So this question is about your best friends. So what is the question? Is your best friend interesting? Please write your answer in the comment section and we will check it. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments down below. See you in the next session.
Bye.